exists.
What's up, buddy? Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Here, you got some good shit.
Fly rumor on winged feet. Here. Read this.
What is it?
It's a love letter for the Major. I read all of his letters.
Dear sweet Gloria, I wish I was up in you now with a finger in your ass. Love you, Captain Skinboat.
I studied classics at Dartmouth.
It's a good school.
$40, 5 gallons.
Hey, Swap.
So, which way do I mount this?
What does it say?
Front toward enemy? Oh, yeah. Gotta be a clue. Thanks. Sorry.
Hey, Fergus, you take my watch tonight? I'll pay you back.
Not again. It's Christmas Eve.
I'll send you out a fucking tree.
Oh, great. A tree. Merry Christmas.
I take it frame by frame it to have it all jump and shout and sing it. Always for other peers, for people scratching the temple. The last beat, well, that's not that simple. You know what OPP? Get out with OPP. Get out with OPP. Get out with OPP. OPP means something different. The first one is the same, but the last is something different. It's the longest. Luckily it's lead. I call it the lead. It's the learn how to
Sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. Those are my sausages.
Fuckers fucked now.
Yeah.
So do you have all of that unauthorized beverage out of your system? Whose watch was that, Swaff?
It was mine.
But since you don't know how to handle responsibility, we are demoting you. You are now private. You think you're the only one that's bored around here? Because when this war begins, and it will begin, I don't want you covering my ass. So guess what's next?
Instructions for the effective burning of shitters. The Marine will need the following 1 metal fence post, 1 pair of welder's gloves, 5 gallons of diesel fuel, and 1 box of matches.
Hold it right there, Marine. So you are the fucking idiot who tried to burn down my camp.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Stick that back in there.
It's already full of diesel fuel, sir.
I don't care if it's full of Chanel number 5. I'm not going to the other side of this camp for my morning glory. Stick that fucker back in there. I'm waiting. I left you a little gift in there. Not too hard, not too soft. Perfect.
Thank you, sir.
Happy holidays, Private.